We are the crazy crafters of CRAFTISTIC CRAZE. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to DIY a doormat using waste clothes. Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get more notifications of my videos. Let's get started. Things you will need are a denim, few t-shirts, approximately you will need around 4 t-shirts, a scissor, measuring tape, a chalk and a ruler. Fold the denim and cut off one leg. Now stretch the leg area of the cloth and cut it from one side. Once you have cut it off, you have to double fold the cloth. Now, once you have double folded the cloth, you have to measure them lengthwise and widthwise. This is where you have to decide on what size you need your doormat. My doormat is going to be on 16 inches by 24 inches. So as the cloth is double folded, I am marking 8 inches and 12 inches in the lengthwise. Once you have cut it off, make sure that you give it a good press with your iron. And once that's done, what you have to do here is you have to stitch around the 4 borders. This is going to be the first layer of your mat. Right now we are going to stitch all the 4 sides in our first layer of the doormat. Once that's ready, we have to go to the second part, that is the t-shirt. Now measure 5 centimeters to cut strips from the t-shirt. The cardboard that we are using here is measured as 5 centimeters. We are using it just to make our marking easier. But you can directly use your ruler and mark it. It's left up to you. Once you cut off the strips, make sure to cut open the strip from one edge so that it becomes a long strip. Now we are ready for the next step. Make even frills with your fingers and keep on stitching them. Be sure to get all the strips onto the same side. Keep repeating the same step for all the strips that you have cut off from the 4 t-shirts. Once you are done making the frills, you can decide which color comes first and the next. It's up to you. Now you have to take the first layer of the mat, that is your denim, and then mark 3 inches as shown in the video. They are marked to guide us on stitching the second layer, third layer and so on. Make sure you are taking the midpoint of the frill and stitching at the edge of the denim cloth for the first layer. Second, third and the balance will be stitched on the marked 3 inches line. And that also you have to stitch from the midpoint of the frill. Now you can go on with the third, fourth and the fifth layers. If you liked my video, give a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified on my next video. Try this DIY at home and comment how well it came out for you. Until then, see you next time.